Hi, I'm Ben Hardy from Expert Village. All right, now we're going to talk about how to prepare our zucchini and our squash for cutting. First, we're going to cut the ends off. And we're going to discard. Then we're going to take each one, starting with the zucchini, cut it in half, and then into quarters. Set that aside. Same thing with the squash. Now that we have them in quarters, we're going to turn those over. And there's a lot of dead flesh inside of these that are really bad for texture. So you want to always face your blade out, and we're going to basically cut that dead flesh out of each one. Now make sure you're keeping your fingers safe from the blade, holding it away